Hello guys, so I thought I would vlog this weekend and I'm sorry for my appearance. I've just woken up, but I am in Hamilton. I'm on my holidays, so I've been working all week this week, but this next week I'm not working as much and I've got a really fun weekend coming up, so I thought I would vlog it. I'm doing bottomless brunch today with my friends, like a kind of like a homemade version. We're just basically drinking all day, but we're calling it bottomless brunch. And I'm going to the beach tomorrow and have some fun things on. So yeah, it's 8:30 now and I need to be at Brooklyn's at 12, so I've got to do my hair, makeup and everything, so I'm gonna go have some breakfast now. Alright, I am in my bikini now because I'm gonna get ready. It's like really hot. I'm gonna wear a dress, but I'm wearing a bikini during the day as well. I don't think I'm wearing this one, but I'm just putting it off for now and I'm gonna start my makeup. Alright, I finished my makeup and my hair. Love you, bye. I just curled my hair and I'm wearing this green dress. It's really pretty. So it's such a gorgeous day outside. As you can see, it is blue skies, so I'm really excited to have some drinks outside in the sun. I've also brought my bikini because why not, it's sunny. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing and I'm about to go to Brooklyn's house. I've just hopped in the car and I'm about to leave to Brooklyn's. I'm so excited. I am slightly late, which is always me, but yeah, I've got some bubbles and a couple other drinks, so I'm set. And the weather is honestly just, I don't know if you can see it out there, but it's just so beautiful and I just can't wait to drink. Oh, okay, I sound like an alcoholic, but I will talk to you guys when I get to Brooklyn's. I have arrived at Brooklyn's. Let's go in. I've got a big bag. Where is she? Can hear her. Oh my god! Hello! I was excited to drink. No one? Woohoo! Spreads. Getting stabby. Getting stabby. I'm so excited to drink. I want to start now. How are we doing, ladies? Woohoo! Hello world. How did you miss me? No. Cool. We love it. Yeah, pretty much. We're waiting for everyone else to arrive because everyone is running fashionably late like always. But like an hour fashionably late. That's fine. Even though we put the time back. That's fine. No, wait, forward. No. Back. Back. What? No. I don't know. I don't do math anymore. Okay, an hour later than it was originally. Back. Forward. We moved the time forward. Okay, I don't know. Well, now I'm okay, we moved the time forward.
I don't get it, I don't get it. Tequila in my cup. I don't get it, I don't get it. Green smoke in the air. I don't get it, I don't get it. Tequila in my cup. I don't get it, I don't get it. Green smoke in the air.
Yeah, so I just like and subscribe if you can.
Hello. How is everyone? My name is Taylor.
Hello.
It's not focusing.
Oh, it's not.
You look so beautiful.
What are you up to?
Nothing much.
We talk American when I'm with you.
I just thought it'd be funny. I know you flip it up.
You flip it up like this and then you just turn around.
Oh, it's focused. Hi everyone.
just interrupting this with Selfie Skin. So Selfie Skin has sent me their IPL laser hair removal, and I'm going to try it out for the first time today. I've just changed into a bikini so that I can do my bikini area and my legs. I'll start with like the first setting. I've shaved and everything and read the instructions, so hopefully it all goes well. It just looks so simple to use, and I've seen a few people on YouTube use it and they honestly had no problems, so I'm sure I won't have any problems either. Basically you press it to start, and then you can go up in the levels by pressing this, and then you press this down to activate it, and then you can also have a pulsing one so that it just goes automatically. I'm going to quickly use this now on my bikini area and my legs and show you guys, and then talk to you about it afterwards. Okay, so basically you don't feel it at all. It's just kind of like it's not really, I don't know, it kind of feels a little bit like warm but not hot. Like it's honestly doesn't hurt at all. I've just finished using it, and honestly it is so amazing. It didn't hurt at all. Like probably in the bikini area it hurt a tiny bit more, but nothing crazy at all. I used the first setting for majority of my legs, and then I went up to 2 just because I was like, oh, it's not that sore, so I went up to 2. I don't actually know if I'm allowed to do that on my first one. It honestly didn't hurt at all, so I highly recommend it. I'm gonna keep using it, and obviously I do have ginger hair. It does say that it is harder to use on ginger hair, but I have darker ginger hair, and I've been to laser places before and they've said it should work. But I'll keep you guys updated on here and also on Instagram on how it works for me. So yeah, I'm so excited though. They can be quite expensive, so or just laser going to a clinic in general, but if you can get your hands on this, I would highly recommend it. I will leave all the links down below. So thank you so much to Selfie Skin for sending me the IPL. Honestly, I'm so excited. Good morning guys. So it is now Sunday and I'm off to the beach today with my family. We're going to the mountains, so it's gonna be so much fun. I'm just wearing shorts, white t-shirt, and this Ralph Lauren button up. So yeah, we're gonna go to the beach and it's gonna be heaps of fun. It's like, again, such lovely weather. It's a little bit more overcast, but I think over at the mount it's better weather. So yes, I'm very excited, and yesterday was so much fun. So yeah, we got very drunk and it was great fun. So let's go to the beach. We have arrived at the mount and we're going to meet up with Tony and Liam. Liam's got a place down here working, so we're gonna go to his place, and we're just walking to the beach at the moment. There's Tamsin. Mum, wave. Oh, stunning. Stunning, ladies, stunning. Beautiful. Oh yeah, there they are. Oh, this looks so nice. Honey, it's honey! Oh, beautiful. Seal, and we're gonna go have a look at.
Oh my god, it's a shark!
There she is.
How are we all feeling? Just went for a walk around the mount, and now we're back with the doggies because we left the doggies here. We're gonna go sit on the beach and lie down. Had some kebabs and I had a smoothie. And the doggy's excited to see us. Hey, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you ready to go home? Just went to the beach. Let's get away. Now we're gonna go home. Hey, let's go. Hey.
That's what you was doing before.
Come on, Damson, let's go. Oh, bye bye, honey. Bye bye.